Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. If you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow, and I'll be listing all the decks that I'll be using in this reading. So the links of the decks will be in the description box below. If you want the information about it, just check the description box. So the pick a card for today is what your guardian angel wants you to know. So everyone has a guardian angel, so let's see what your guardian angel wants you to know. So just relax, okay guys, and let all the worries go, and just call upon your guardian angel and just select a photo intuitively. Okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so I'll be showing you the three groups here. So the first one is this photo. Okay, meditate on each pile and just you will know which is yours, right? So just go with your heart guys, with your intuition. This is the group number 2, and this is group number 3. So relax and just choose one. I hope you get your answers, your clarity, your messages, your guidance, your motivation. Okay, so remember, okay, so the description box I'll be providing the timestamps. You can just click and watch it. So I'm gonna go with group number 1 guys. Hello group number 1, if you chose this photo, then this is your reading from your guardian angels. Okay, so I feel for this pile direction has been shown. Okay, your guardian angels are showing you a direction. You need to move forward with that direction. So you are I feel a lack of passion here. So for some of you, you were very passionate about something. Right now there is a you are not so passionate about it because things are not working the way you wanted, because you were attached to an outcome. You didn't get that outcome, so that's why you're like, oh, this will not work, and you're trying to give up. But your angels, your guardian angel wants you to know that it's time to move forward with that. Don't give up. Giving up will not give you anything. If you will even though if you take something else, and then you have to work hard for it. So don't give up, just keep moving forward. Be passionate about that and keep moving forward. You have been praying for something. It's time. If you want to make that happen, you need to keep moving forward guys. You need to be courageous about it. Don't lose hope. Just keep moving forward. For this pile, that is the thing. Okay, that is what your guardian angel wants you to know. Don't lose your passion. So let's see what else for you. Okay, we have one card over here. So what is that? Chariot. Yes, I was talking about keep moving forward. With chariot energy, you need to keep moving forward. Okay, you have two choices. Okay, maybe you have been doing one thing. For some of you, you have achieved something, but you are not recognizing it also. I feel like that. Okay, because you wanted more. So it's important you recognize that you have achieved a little bit of success. Okay, with the 7 energy, I'm getting that you have achieved a little bit, but you have not achieved the thing you wanted. You're attached to the outcome, so you need to let go of that attachment to the outcome and congratulate yourself for the small achievement that you made. So for some of you, you have made a little bit of achievement, but you're not recognizing it because you want more. Okay, it's important that you recognize that and be thankful, and then keep moving forward, because this will give you a lot of success. Okay, so self-discipline is important. So procrastination is not gonna help you in any form. So just keep moving forward. Whatever choice, there might be 2 choices, so just go with your heart, because you are being shown the direction here. So just keep moving forward. So if you pray, you will get that. Okay, your guardian angels are telling you to keep moving forward, and you got the chariot here. So definitely good things are coming your way, but don't stop guys. I'm getting here, maybe for some of you, definitely. Okay, oh, wait, a lot of cards. So let's see one more card here. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles and 2 of Cups. So balance is coming in your life. Yeah, that's the thing, because Knight of Pentacles energy is a very slow moving energy. You want things very fast. Okay, for some of you, you need to let that, get out of that 8 of cups energy. You want everything very, very fast. You can't wait. You're very impatient. You need to have more patience in your life. Maybe you're thinking you have patience, but no, you need to have more patience in your life. That is what I'm getting. You have been shown this direction. Keep moving forward, because things are coming with this 2 of cups energy. Things are coming together. Okay, but you're thinking, you're thinking too much. You're trying to, like, oh, this is not working for me, this is not working, you are like in a hurry where you want to reach the destination very quickly. No, just because Knight of Pentacles energy I'm getting, this is going to be a very stable thing. Okay, very stable thing. You will it's a long term thing, it's not a short term thing. So be patient, guys. Right now it's time to be patient and keep moving forward, even though it's slow. If you're feeling it's slow, just hang on there and keep working, because this will bring you success. And I feel with this 2 of cups energy, things are, your divine masculine and divine feminine is gonna get balanced. Okay, balance is coming definitely, but the only thing that will hinder your success is your own impatience. That is what I'm getting. Be passionate, guys, don't stop. Yeah, be confident in yourself, keep moving forward. Yeah, never ending story. You are like that only. You need to cleanse this energy. You are like, why things are not manifesting? Sometimes, maybe you have you went 2 steps ahead, and then you will be like 3 steps back, and you're like, why this always happens to me? Why? You need to be confident in yourself. For some of you, you're losing your confidence, you're losing your passion. No, your angel wants you to know that it's time to keep moving forward. Sometimes setbacks happen. It is for you to learn that lesson. It's okay, things will be balanced for you, guys. Look, with this Chopwood, you need to let go of all that negativity, negative thinking. This is all you're thinking, guys. This is your overthinking about things, that this will not manifest. You need to be confident in yourself. And look, with this door opening, new opportunities are coming your way, but you need to let these thoughts go. What is stopping you? Your own impatience. I'm sorry to say that, but definitely I'm getting that only, because you can't wait. You want everything very quick, whatever it is, and that's why you're losing hope, you're losing your confidence. But remember, go slow, but you will reach ahead in your life, like the tortoise, slow but steady. Okay, we got one card here. Let's see. Let me take yeah, trust. Now it's the time to trust. Trust in yourself, trust in the divine, and get moving. Okay, you are being presented with this direction because of your overthinking, because you're thinking like, oh, why. You might be getting in your own way. You're getting in your own way. I have to say that, because you have a lot of potential here. Okay, yeah, you're literally very confused, because if you want to go there or not, but that all confusion will fade away when you sit, meditate, and listen to yourself, because your prayers are going to it will be answered. But you need to trust, you need to have faith. Are you having that faith? Are you trusting yourself? Are you losing your confidence? No, it's not the time to lose your confidence. It's time to be like, gain that back, cleanse all that energy, letting go of the things, letting go of the thoughts that is not serving you in any way or form or shape, or any people who are like giving you that negativity. Let them go. Okay, so yes, that is what for group number 1 your guardian angel wants you to know this. Okay, so yeah, success is there, everything is there. You need to trust. Don't be in a hurry, and appreciate yourself. Give the gratitude, cleanse your energy, declutter. I'm getting that also. Organize your wardrobe. Okay, because when you organize that, your thinking will be also organized. Your thinking is very, very scattered. You need to let go of that energies. Okay, don't be in a hurry. Maybe you're comparing yourself to others because they reach their path. You don't have to compare anyone to yourself, because you are in a different journey. You're meant to with this Chariot energy, you will do good things, you will have that recognition also. But right now you need to go slow. Let go of that attachment to the outcome, to the result. You don't have to what you will be, enjoy the journey. Why you are in so much of hurry. That is also I'm getting here. So go slow, everything will happen at the correct timing for you guys. But don't be in this energy, cleanse this energy, okay? Let go of this thinking. Why? That victim mentality also maybe. So you need to get your confidence back here. Okay, that's all for group number 1. Bye-bye, take care guys. Hello group 2, if you chose this card, then this is your reading. So your guardian angels loves you a lot, okay? They love you a lot. If you're going through an emotional phase, they are with you, they are supporting you, okay? And I'm getting the energy here. It's all temporary, okay? Happiness is temporary, sadness is temporary. So if you're going through a phase where you're very sad, or you're feeling you're not feeling worthy, it's just temporary thing. It is gonna go. It's gonna go. Okay, if you have lost something, that feeling will go. You will be able to be back again. Okay, so this is something very temporary, that is I'm getting here, okay, for some of you. And yes, they love you a lot. And with this moon energy, I feel new beginnings are on the way, guys. For you guys, something new. Okay, for some of you, I feel spiritual awakening also happened. You have lost something, you're letting go of something, so you're doing good. Yeah, again we got the moon energy. I was talking about moon energy, so something is hidden here, something mysterious. Okay, so truth is I feel with this moon energy, for some of you, you are recognizing your own gifts also. For some of you, it can be also that, you know, recognizing your own psychic gifts, psychic abilities. And for some of you, there is a lot of confusion. Okay, but something is happening behind the scenes. Okay, don't be fearful. Okay, if you are in this situation, just release it, because this is temporary. That is what I'm getting here. Okay, moon energy is moon phases, like moon phases might affect you also. So that is also I'm getting here for this. Yeah, new beginnings for sure. So whatever you're going through is, if it's a bad situation, it's just temporary. It will go away. Okay, yeah, with this 1 + 8 9, it's completing, something is completing. Okay, yeah, we have 3 of fire energy. Wow, look, abundance, things look very good. Have patience at those times, make long-term plans. Wow, look at that, we have the back of the deck, 5 of fire energy. So yeah, you have a lot of conflicts inside you right now. You're feeling very, you know, maybe inside your head you're feeling conflicted, you're feeling there is a lot of competition, you will not be able to achieve the things you want to achieve in your life. You're doing the work, but you're not seeing the progress. But you know, abundance is coming. So something is happening behind the scenes that you're not able to see. But yes, things are manifesting for you guys. With this 3 of fire, for some of you will be traveling also. Okay, so something is happening that you have been waiting for. Okay, be patient guys, right now it's time for patience. Okay, your angels are saying this, you know, as I said, you know, it's just a temporary situation. Things are going to look good for you guys. Okay, abundance is coming. Maybe you're feeling stuck, you will be out of that situation. Just a temporary situation guys. Okay, remember that. Okay, for some of you, as moon energy is like very mysterious, the truth is also coming out. That will give you new, you know, you will be relieved that that thing came out. For some of you, you're definitely, yeah, with the 7 of Pentacles coming out here. Wait a second, you have been waiting for something. You have been waiting, you have been working a lot. Okay, right now you need to rest. Okay, yeah, that is what it's coming, because you have been working, you have been investing on something, and things are not going the way you wanted, right? Things are not manifesting for you. You're like, oh my god, I have been working so hard, but things are not moving that quick, and you are losing hope, and you're feeling very sad. I feel like that. But you know, remember, this is like a long-term card. So whatever you're planting now, it will give you the abundance. With this 3 of fire, you will get it, but right now you can't see it. So don't feel bad, because this is just a temporary situation. This is gonna move. Okay, so yeah, you will reap the rewards, because 7 of Pentacles is like, you will get it. Just be patient right now. Okay, what else? Yeah, I was talking about truth. Yeah, the moon energy, some truth is with this blue color. Yeah, truth is, something is coming into light, some mask, you know, something is coming into light, and that will I feel when this truth will come out, you will be feeling so revealed. Okay, yeah, something is happening behind the scenes, you don't know, and this will be like, wow, this happened. You know, you will be very happy when this comes out. I feel like that. Okay, yeah, something is coming out. Definitely truth is coming out. clarity. You are getting a lot of clarity. Okay, you will not be stuck. This is just a temporary situation. Okay, so yeah, that is what. Okay, look, we got building blocks here. It's like the Seven of Pentacles energy only. You're putting your foundation, you're working on something, you will grow. Okay, you don't have to lose faith, don't lose hope. For some of you, you are, don't lose hope. Okay, yeah, things are happening behind the scenes. Universe is working for you guys. Okay, you have worked a lot also. You have been not for you. This overthinking, this situation is temporary, this will move away. Okay, this overthinking is not for you. You don't have to overthink. Things are gonna manifest for you. Okay, you are building blocks. The truth is gonna come out. You will get clarity about the things. Okay, yeah, deep knowing. Okay, wow, for some of you, definitely you know that everything will be okay, but then too you're doubting. Okay, because I feel some of you have this ability. Okay, this psychic ability also. For some of you, you will understand your abilities also, I'm getting. So don't worry. Okay, this is just a temporary situation. What else? Wait. Patience. Patience, just wait. Everything is going to be okay, guys. Everything is going to be okay. Be patient. Wait for some time. This is also wait. This person is also waiting for the fruits to bear, right? So the truths are coming out. You will get the understanding why you had to wait. Okay, because I feel for you guys, you will get something more than you hoped for. Okay, so something is happening behind the scene. They are not revealing it, what is happening. Definitely with this moon, something is hidden. And for some of you, definitely you are completing a major cycle also, I'm getting here. Okay, and for some of you, you are a little bit psychic also. Your intuition is also strong. Okay, you will get the clarity, the mask, maybe from some person you will get the clarity. Okay, and anyways, I'm seeing the abundance. Okay, the effort you have been putting on to something, you will reap the rewards. Okay, it's like that is what right now. I'm just I don't know, this thing is not for you. This overthinking is not for you. This sadness is not for you. Just wait, guys. Things are gonna things are not going to be the same anymore. Okay, things are shifting for you. With this 3 or 5, you might be relocating to some place or something. That is also I'm getting. Wait, just wait, guys. Things are changing for you. That guardian angels are assuring you, just wait. Something big is coming. I think something big, but they are not sure. They are not telling. Okay, what is that? But definitely something big. The situation that you are right now, if you're feeling very emotional, then the situation is not for you. This is just a temporary situation. You're going to build blocks. You're going to, even if it's a relationship or whatever, you have been putting the effort into it, you will reap the rewards. Okay, so that is what is coming. You're being loved. New opportunities, new creative ideas. So take note on that. Take note on your creativity and move forward with it. Okay, so yeah, just keep on moving forward. Okay, don't lose hope. Have faith. You need to have faith, because something big is happening. Something big. You will be like very surprised with this. I'm getting that also, but I don't know what it is, but definitely something big is happening. So guys, don't lose hope, faith. Trust universe, trust your guides. Keep moving forward. Something big is gonna happen. Something is changing. A very positive change is gonna happen for you. Just wait now. Be patient now. Okay, so bye bye. Take care, guys. Okay, hello my group number 3. If you choose this, then this is your reading. The first thing I'm getting, that your children are safe. Okay, if you're worrying about your children or something, then they are safe. Okay, so okay, so if you have lost a child or something, I feel like they are safe there. That is also coming up. Very specific message. Your guardian angel want you to know that they are doing good there. Okay, don't worry. For some, if you are away from your child, if that is the case, they are safe. That is also I'm getting here. Okay, for this pile, I don't know, you need to flow like water. Okay, for you are like you need to flow your emotions. You are suppressing something, it's time to release. That is also I'm getting. For some of you, you need to let it out, cry it out, or speak that emotion. Talk to someone, or talk that to your guardian angels. Give it to them. Don't suppress your feelings, cry it out. And I don't know, you need to work on that also. For some of you, definitely I'm getting there. Some lightning happened in your life, I feel like that, but it's gonna go, it's going, you know, you are moving forward in your life, okay? No, there is no going back, okay? For you guys, you're transforming beautifully, okay? So yeah, that is what I'm getting here, okay? You're transforming beautifully. Major transformation has happened for you guys. Something I'm getting like something happened that you know, it's like a tower moment or something happened finally. Because of that, you are growing spiritually also, for some of you, and you know, you have done a lot of inner work, I'm getting here, okay? For some of you, definitely loving yourself. You were like that kind of people who were not loving themselves, you know, talking bad about themselves, not feeling worthy about the things, not seeing the blessings, but now you have changed your perception. I feel like that, okay? So good things are you. And we got the wheel, okay? The first card is wheel here. Archangel Michael is there with you, okay? Your guardian angels, you know, maybe you work with Archangel Michael. He's there providing you the stability. Everything is gonna shift for you guys. So you have done a lot of inner work, I'm getting here. You have a connection to the divine. You have a connection to your archangels, angels, you know, guardian angels, you know. Oh my God. Yeah, and you look... all that fell off when I talked about that. Wait a second. The energy is very high. Okay, so yeah, so yes, definitely I see a lot of blessings coming your way. I feel a lot of abundance, you know. It can be emotional abundance also, happiness, you know. I'm getting that. I am getting the sun vibe, you know. Finally the sun is showing up for you guys, okay? Finally the paths is clearing. Finally the obstacles are like moving away, okay? Yeah, that is what. If you work with Ganesh, yes, definitely call upon him also. Ganesh, Lord Ganesha, he will be helping you in that. Getting that also here, okay? He's with you. If you believe in him, definitely Lord Ganesh is with you, protecting you, guiding you. I can sense Archangel Michael presence also. Your guardian angels are letting you know that they are, you know, you have a divine connection also. Things are completely, you know, transformation. You're not going to go back. You're not going to go back to your old self. You're a new self. You're a new person now, okay? You're not gonna go back there, okay? You're not gonna go back to the... oh, sorry for that, because the card fell. You have the star card, look at that. Yeah, you're not gonna go back. You're not gonna go back. You have that healing energy. You're healing also. For some of you, you have that healing energy inside. You will be helping other people also. I'm getting that also. You're meant for something, you know. You have a purpose. Maybe for some of you, you are aligning with your purpose. And guardian, for some of you, you know, you need to appreciate yourself more. I'm getting here. Yeah, guardian angel want you to know that appreciate yourself, okay? With this green color, I'm getting, you know, the green vibe. I'm pulling out the green aura. I'm getting here, you know, your heart center. You're working on your heart center. Finally your heart center is like opening up, okay? You're receiving the blessings, okay? So happy times, you know. As I said, you know, I was talking about that happy, the sun is gonna rise for you guys, you know. Finally you're getting that happiness, joy. You're understanding all this happened for a reason, you know. You had to go through this tower moment because it was meant to be, because it was meant to learn, you know. You had to learn certain lessons, and finally you have learned, and you're not gonna go back to that life that you had before. It's the past. It's over. You're over it. You're over your past. You're not gonna go back, and it's a very beautiful thing. You have released it, okay? Now it's time to be very hopeful for your future and keep moving forward, okay? You are on the right track, okay? You are on the right track, okay? With these two cards, definitely. And look at the back of the deck, we have this 10 of water, a contented and rewarding family life. Your emotional and material needs are met. Trustworthy relationships. Look, so beautiful, right? So let's see what else for you guys. Wow, with the star and wheel, definitely good things are coming. Okay, wow, Emperor. Okay, for some of you, definitely you are going to take your power back. Okay, so yeah, that is what is happening, you know. Maybe you were like in the past you were like, oh, look at that. Yes, okay. Anyways, so yeah, with this Emperor, I see that, you know, you are taking your power back here. You're in this Aries energy where you're very passionate about something, so keep on moving forward, okay? For some of you, you might get an advice from someone older, so take that because that will be helpful, okay? That is also I'm getting. Or for some of you, you are taking your power back. You're going to, with this 4 number, you're going to be very stable, okay? So believe in yourself. Good, happy outcomes. are coming. Yeah, you have been working on something. You have been definitely working on something, right? You were learning something, you were growing it. You will get the high position. Okay, if you have a dream, that is going to manifest for you guys. I'm seeing that, really clearly. You have been working a lot, day and night you have been working. So you need to take a break also. I'm getting here, okay? With this 8 of Pentacles energy, you have been working. You have been, you have been working on your skill, and that's growing. You're getting good at it. You will be the emperor. You will learn that skill and you will be like very good at it. Okay, that is, I'm getting that here. And yes, yeah, in the past there have been a lot of heartbreaks. There have been a lot of setbacks. There have been a lot of failures, but now you're over it. You are going to a different life. Okay, you're not going back to your old self. This is a new self, and I feel your guardian angel wants you to appreciate more. You need to appreciate your small success also, because you're meant to lead other people. You're the leader. Wow. So appreciate yourself. Okay, look for a sign. Okay, so I feel like that you're getting a lot of signs, so you need to be open to that. Lot of opportunities. You're very connected. As I said, you're very connected to the angels, so guardian angels, so they are sending you signs. So be open to that. Okay, you will get your answers when you meditate. Okay, so look for that signs for your dreams. Keep a dream journal also. Wait, communicate clearly. Okay, so some communications is definitely happening, and we have no need to worry about anything. Be positive. Okay, communication is coming your way. Okay, so if you're waiting for a communication, I am getting that also. Or maybe for some of you, you need to communicate clearly with your guides also. Okay, so for some of you, you need to wait. You need to be patient. Okay, whatever you're working on, it will manifest. Good things are coming for you. Just little pause. Okay, little wait. You need to wait. Okay, that is also I'm getting here for you. Okay, so let's see. Let's pull out from this deck also, and we'll end the reading. Wow, but with the star card, wish fulfillment. Okay, buy the book. 11 number. Wow, 11 number. Master number 11. Okay, I am getting the vibe. You're going to be the leader. You will be leading other people. Look, with this elephant also. Elephant, you're going to be very wise. You will have a lot of knowledge. If you're learning something, you'll be masters. If you're learning a skill, you're going to be the masters of that. Okay, and yes, no one can stop your success. I'm getting you will, yeah. Okay, so yes, you're learning, you're reading. Maybe for some of you, you need to learn something. You need to go. Okay, look at that cards. Yes, you're in this between worlds, but you will be you're very blessed people. As I said, your angels, archangels, guardian angels are all around you. Very blessed people. Okay, that's for sure. And in this between worlds, I feel for many of you are getting out of this. You were in between. I'm surely getting, you are in a healing process. You will be out of this between worlds. Now you will be able to receive your abundance. Okay, for definitely you need to keep your eyes open. Look for the signs. For some of you, you need to communicate clearly with your guides. Meditate and ask your question. Okay, you will get your answers. You need to get within yourself. Okay, that is also I'm getting. Good things are coming your way. Okay, so don't worry. Look to the sea. You need to be in the present moment. Yeah, with this book, you need to learn something. Some book. You need to read some books. You will get your answers. Maybe your sign will, you will get your answers within a book. I'm getting here. That is also I'm getting. But things are changing for you. I'm getting. I feel like that maybe you're seeing 3 number, 333 or something like that. Okay, and 22 number also, maybe 222s. Okay, so yes, you are getting a lot of signs, but maybe you need to. Maybe you need to look for that. Maybe you need to. Research about it. For some of you, you're not looking into it. I'm getting that also. Okay, be positive, because the skill you're learning, the thing you're doing, it is going to be very big. You're going to be the leader. You will be maybe I don't know. I feel like maybe if you're doing a small business, that will grow to a very big one. Okay, because you're completely blessed here. Okay. Wow, that is beautiful. Okay, something big. Your life purpose is big, I'm getting here. So your guardian angels are like, don't worry about anything right now. You need to be in the present moment. Okay, and just keep on moving forward, because you will be out of this. It's like you're in between this. You're not completely in the bad, very dark side also, and yet you're not completely in the colorful side also, that is ending. You're gonna completely go into this colorful side, you know. I'm getting that, you, because you're very blessed. Okay, so yeah, things are happening for you. You're gonna get out of that in between bowls energy. Right now you're here, but you are, you know, you have been working on something, but it is not like complete, you know. You have not gotten the complete things, you know, that you want in your life. You know, you maybe as I said, you're walking here, you're in the middle, but you will reach there, you will get it. Okay, so be patient, guys. Wait, things are gonna happen for you. You're very blessed. A lot of divine connection is there. Meditate, you can ask your angels, you will get the answers, because it is within yourself. So make decision based on that. That is also I'm getting. So guardian angels are telling you to do that. They are protecting you. You need to get inside. You have a lot of wisdom. You will be sharing that to other people also. For that, because for some of you need to meditate more, ground your energy, cleanse yourself. Okay, and you're doing good. Okay, you're doing good. You're not going back. You are going to be more, you know, you're going to transform more and more and more. I'm getting like you're not going to go back to your old self. So that is also I'm getting. You're not going to be going back to that dark side. No, you're only going to be like in the colorful side. And remember, yeah, there will be obstacles definitely, but you will know what you need to do when you are in this obstacle. You know, whenever an obstacle happen, you will be very courageous. I feel like that you're going to be very courageous. You're changing your complete perception is changed. You have a complete different way of living now. Your thoughts, everything has changed, and because of that you are gonna grow a lot more. You have so much of potential. Okay, group 3, wow. Okay. So yeah, keep on moving forward, keep on doing the work, because you're going to have so much success. Some wishes are going to fulfill for you guys. Okay, you're going to be the masters of something. That is what I'm getting here. Now you're like learning, you're working, do your hard work, because you will be masters of that. Okay, you will lead people. You're so blessed. You have such a divine connection. I'm repeating myself, I know, but then too I felt like saying it. I'm so I say. Okay, bye guys, take care.